everyone, welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Today I'm coming to you to let you know about a new collaboration that I'm a part of. This was started by Katie at Heritage Ways, and it includes Constance from Cosmopolitan Cornbread, Lori from Whippoorwill Holler, and myself. And we're here in this collaboration. We are going to be bringing you some ideas of things you can put together out of your own pantry, and most of these things you will probably have on hand. Just ideas to make your life simpler and save time, but also healthier, because we know what we're putting in there. The name of this collaboration is Mix and Go Pantry Mixes Collaboration, and there's going to be a number of different kinds of mixes that we're going to put together for you. Some are going to be side dishes that you just add a few ingredients and it's ready to make. I will probably be focusing on seasoning mixes because of my keto diet. I can't have rice and beans and a lot of those things that would normally be in those mixes. So I think this is going to be really a good thing for a lot of people. We're all busy. We all have a lot going on, but there's also a lot of scares and concerns right now, and the more you can put together out of your own pantry, the better. Especially when you know that these ingredients are healthy and you're not adding the MSG and all of the bad preservatives and things that really can, sugars, all the things that are in most mixes. They're hidden. We're going to give you options that don't include that. So I hope that you're going to get something out of this. Now, I have done some of these mixes in the past, and I will put a link below for those videos. I have, my very favorite is Copycat Garlic. I love Pampered Chef, and I love their garlic seasoning, but it is pricey. So I've put together my own blend of it, and I have a video on that. I've made chicken bouillon powder, and a lot of people will make their chicken stock and then they will cook it way down, and then they'll dehydrate it, then they'll powder it. I can't do that because of the power usage, because it just takes so long to dehydrate a liquid. So I made mine differently, so I have a video about that. And mushroom onion soup mix, and that is just such a good soup, but you can use it for so many things. I like to make beef stroganoff using that. And you can add your liquids and a few things, and you've got a really good sauce or soup or whatever, however you want to use it. I also have one on buttermilk ranch dressing mix. I have a number of them, and so do the other ladies, and we're going to include a playlist, so I hope you join us for that. But I figured I'd give you a quick little mix tonight just to get started. So I'm going to make lemon pepper seasoning, and it's so simple. I'm just going to put it all straight into this little 4-ounce jar, and I've got about 2 tablespoons of freshly ground black pepper, and I didn't measure, but it's close. Now I'm going to add about, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon peel, dehydrated. And then I'm going to add, let me double check my instructions here. I think I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of salt. I don't want to make it too salty. But I really have found on this keto diet, I'm craving the lemon flavor. And I think it's because there's so much fat in it that I think I'm looking for that fresh lemon taste to cut that. So I think I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of lemon peel powder. And I got this from Azure Standard. I bought it in bulk. And it's very similar to the lemon peel dehydrated, but it just gives it it's going to help go throughout the mix. So there you go. That's the mix. And all I'm going to do is put a lid on it, and you can see the different layers maybe. And it's done. How easy is that? And that is what we're hoping to do in this collaboration, is just show you how easy, how quickly, and how inexpensively you can create your own seasonings, meal mixes, whatever it is. You can do it yourself, and it's going to be better. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I really hope you join us. We are going to make a video next Saturday and the following Saturday, and I think, let me check the dates. I think it's the 8th and, no, I'm sorry, March 7th and March 14th. Those are next 2 Saturdays. And all 4 of us are going to be coming up with some really good ideas for mixes, things to save you money, time, and keep your family healthy. So I hope you join us. I'll have links for all of the channels below. And again, look for the playlist. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and we are so looking forward to you joining us for this collaboration. Thank you for watching. God bless, and we'll talk again soon.